Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KDP, then this video is only for you. Finding a profitable good niche on KDP Amazon can be really hard, but in this video I want to show you a book or a niche area that is I have found that is highly profitable and with a little bit of effort. If you so today we are just going to talking about 3 KDP low content niche. So let's go Amazon marketplace, and first of all we search glucose logbook. Here results only shows 1000 results. So this is small niche, and we also see blood sugar logbook pocket size, the diabetic logbook glucose insulin monitoring. Here we also see glucose logbook mini. So glucose logbook mini, here we see 22 review, and here BSR rank is 2 2,73,328. So this is a very good BSR here. So glucose logbook is a small niche. Here we find blood sugar logbook or diabetes logbook. This is another niche, blood sugar logbook. Here also seen 1000 results. So this is a small niche and low competition and high profitable good niche. Here we seen 635 review. So this is a very high profitable with low competition niche. So this we have seen this cover here. This is a cover. So this cover is easy to make. So this is a very good niche, and if you make good cover and good manuscript, then if you find good keyword and publish this book on KDP and earn a lot of money per month. So we have to publish blood sugar logbook. Now our third niche is flight logbook. Network is slow, please wait. Here the results only shows 591 results. So this is a micro niche. This is a not only micro niche but also small niche. So 591 results. So this is a high profitable with low competition niche flight logbook. Here the results only shows the standard aircraft flight logbook. Here the results review only shows 27 and BSR rank is 2,17,111. So this is a small niche. So we have to work like glucose logbook, which is also called blood sugar logbook or diabetes logbook, and another niche is flight logbook. So guys, if you like in my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my video to your friends and family and whoever is interested to passive income. So guys, please hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with you more niches, more ideas and help you to scale your self publishing business. So until the next video, look forward to seeing you then. So thank you so much. Thank you all.